Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change username on Twitter. Okay, accept. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, the first thing would be simply for you to access your X or your Twitter app, and then tap on your profile icon that will be on top left side of your screen, and tap on this option called setting and support, and this drop down menu will unleash including the setting and privacy option. Go ahead, tap on it. Now tap on this option called your account on top, and tap on this option called account information just given over there, and you will find this option called username on top right. Go ahead, tap on it. So once you have seen it, you can go ahead, edit your username according to your liking. You can add whatever you want and tap on this done option below, and that way you will be able to change your username and will be able to save it. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions or concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and we will simply check out them for you. And that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.